Sairam dear children, how are you all? Hope good. Today I am going to do lesson number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. Before I start the lesson, let us do 3 Omkar. Om. 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 Facts that matter. Weather. The day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather at that place. So what is weather? Day-to-day conditions. Changes in day-to-day conditions. Suppose it is summer. All of a sudden the temperature drops and it becomes humid. Why does it become humid? Because it's going to rain. Then there is rainfall. So that is called weather. Today we say that the weather is so nice, it is raining so heavily. That is weather. The weather of a place changes day after day, week after week. Today it is raining, tomorrow it might not be raining, it will be sunny. So the weather is sunny. The weather is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over a very short period of time, say hour to hour. Vary means different. It is different from time to time and hour to hour. Right now it is raining. Maybe after 1 hour it will become sunny. So that is called weather. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. When you read the news or when you listen to the news for weather, they say that today's maximum temperature was so and so and minimum temperature. Now how do they record this? Early in the morning, what they record, that is minimum temperature. Minimum means very less, and that which is measured in the afternoon is maximum. Maximum means highest. The times of sunrise and sunset also change throughout the year, isn't it? Right now, suppose the sun is rising at around 6:45. 6:45. Then after a few months, it will rise at 7 o'clock. Then after a few months, it will become 7:15. In winter, when you come to school, it is still dark, isn't it? Why so? Because the sun rises a little later. All the changes in weather are driven by the sun because the sun is the primary source of energy that causes change in weather. Elements of weather: the temperature, changes in temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, and other factors are called elements of weather. Rain gauge. It is an instrument used to measure rainfall and consists of measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect the rainwater. So what is rain gauge? Instrument used to measure rainfall. They say that this place has measured this much amount of rainfall. Why? How that is done? They have some cylinder in which they fill the water, rainwater, through the funnel, and that is how they tell. Weather report. The weather reports are prepared by meteorological department of the government. Weather report. For the next 3 days it is going to rain. How do they tell that next 3 days it is going to rain? That is done by the weather report of the government. Where is it? Meteorological department. The department collects data on temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall, etc. Makes the weather report. Features and habits that help animals to adapt to surroundings are the results of the evolution process and are called adaptation. The polar region. The polar regions are very cold throughout the year. North Pole and South Pole, it is very, very cold. The sun does not set for 6 months in a year at the poles, while for the other 6 months the sun does not rise. Animals that live in the polar region are adapted to extremely cold climate. For example, polar bear and penguins. To survive in extreme climate, they have adaptations like white fur, strong sense of smell, a layer of fat under the skin, wide and large paws for swimming and walking. So to survive wet climate, good climate, bad climate, in the cold regions, that is in the poles, the animals have a white fur on their body. Then they can smell What they can smell? They can smell food. They can smell the hunters. A layer of fat under the skin and a wide large paw for swimming and walking because it is covered with snow. So they have huge paws so that they can walk properly. Migration. Migration means movement. When it is very, very cold, the birds migrate from one place to another place. Is another means to escape the harsh climatic conditions. The tropical region, the region which has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator, is called tropical region. The region gets plenty of rainfall. During hot summers, temperature may be close to 40 degrees. During cold days, temperature remains about 15 degrees. Due to favorable conditions, tropical rainforests support huge population of plants and animals. Animals have the following adaptation to live in tropical rain forests. They eat different kind of food to overcome the competition for food and shelter living on. Let me turn the page, okay? Please wait. The trees, development of strong trails, long and large beaks, bright columns, patterns, loud voice, diet of fruits, sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin to camouflage in order to protect themselves from predators. Predators means hunters. It can be animals also. One animal eats another animal. So that is a predator. Sun. All changes in the weather are caused by the sun. Sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. Distance of sun from us is very large, isn't it? The sun is far away from us. Sun is a source of energy that causes change in the weather. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere play an important role in determining weather at any place. If the temperature of any place is high most of the time, then we say that the climate is hot. If there is heavy rainfall on most of the days, then the climate is called hot and wet. Some migratory birds travel about 15,000 kilometers to escape the extreme climate conditions at home. That means when it is very, very cold, those birds migrate and move to other places where the climate is good for them. Okay. This is the end of the lesson. I will send question answers. Please copy them in your notebook. Sai Ram. Have a nice day, children.